So this is exercise 3.2 problem 2. Now there are pair of lines are given. We have to find out whether they are parallel or intersecting or coincident. So how to find out means we have to use the coefficients, compare the coefficients of the given pair of lines and find out whether they are parallel or intersecting or coincident. See, in a plane, if two lines are there, they will be intersecting or they are parallel or they are coincident. Coincident means one on upon the other one. So this is intersecting or parallel or coincident lines. So this we have a condition. If two lines are there, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 are two pair of lines, then if we have a condition, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then they are intersecting, then the lines are intersecting. Okay, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is equal to c1 by c2. In this case, the lines are coincident, means one line upon the other line. The same, that means that is the same line has the two equations, we can say. Only one line, but algebraically that line is represented with two algebraic equations. So that is coincident lines. Okay, so every point will be on both the lines and on both the equations. Then parallel means if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is not equal to c1 by c2. So this implies lines are parallel. Okay, so we have to just see these three conditions. These three conditions we have to see and find out whether they are coincident, parallel or intersecting. So now the first one, problem 1. Problem 1 is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, and the other is 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now I'll just tell you, see this is a1, this is b1, this is c1, this is a2, b2 and c2. Just directly a1 by a2 means 5 by 7. What is b1 by b2? Minus 4 by 6. So a1 by, and what is c1 by c2? 8 by minus 9. Okay, now here 5 by 7 is not equal to minus 5 by 4 by 6. That means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, because a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 implies the lines are intersecting. Okay, so the lines are intersecting means how the lines looks like, their intersecting lines will be looks like, suppose a rough diagram will be generally they will represent like this. So this will be a one line will be approximately like this, and the other line will be something around like this. Okay, so this is 5x minus 4y plus 8. This is the equation, and this will be 7x, this will be 7x plus 6y minus 9. So this is this equation and this will be this equation. Both intersect at one point. Okay. Next one. What is the next problem is? Second problem is, it is when we compare with second problem, what are the equations? Second one, 9x plus 3y. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, and then 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Now again same here, if you can see, so this is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. These are the coefficients. So a1 by a2 is 9 by 18 and b1 b2 is 3 by 6 and c1 by c2 is 12 by 24. So this is 3 3s are 3 6s are 3 by 6, it is 3 by 6, it is, if I take 4 3s are 3 by 6. This implies a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is equal to c1 by c2. So all the three ratios are equal. This implies these lines are coincident lines. They are coincident. Okay, we will draw this. How the lines look like means, roughly, if I draw this as x and y axis, x-axis and y-axis, this will be a line. This is the line. Okay, this is the line. This is again, this is on the same line. See, this is also same line, means on the same line. Green line, green and that violet, both on the same. So this, what is the green? 9x plus 3y plus 12, 0, and that violet line is what? 18x plus 6y plus 4, 6y plus 24, sorry, 24 is equal to 0. So both of this represent the same line. Okay, so therefore they are coincident. But if you can observe here also, you can just see this equation is nothing but, this equation is nothing but multiply this with the, say, 2, you are going to get the first equation. See, 2 9s are 18, 2 3 is 6 and 2 12 is 24. Means this is actually, if I take 2 common from here, this, in this 2, if I take 2 common, 18x plus 6y plus 24, if I take 2 common, it is 9x plus 3y plus 12. 2 bring this side, becomes 0. So therefore this is 9x plus 3y plus 12. That means both the lines are same. So this implies that they are the coincident lines. Okay, that means coincident means same line only, but algebraically they are different equations. Okay, the next one is, third one is 6x minus 3y plus 10 is 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is 0. Okay, so 6x minus 3y plus 10, 2x minus y plus 9 is 0. Now again we will compare same like in the previous case. So we will get, what is that one? This is a1, this is b1, this is c1, a2, b2, c2. So 6 by 2 minus 3 by minus 1 and 10 by 9. So this is actually what will happen, it is 3 by 1 only. This is also 3 by 1, both are equal it seems, and this will be not equal to 10 by 9. So what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. This implies these two lines are parallel, because this is the main condition, that is parallel. Okay, so this, how it looks like when you draw a graph means it will be like this. If I draw a line, this is one line, the other line will be like this. So this is 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, is parallel to, this is parallel. Actually I should draw a little bit like this. They will never touch each other, they never coincide. And this is, what is this equation we have? This also like this. So these two lines never intersect. Such are called parallel lines. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so hope you understood all the three. With the help of coefficient we can just say that whether they are parallel, coincident or intersecting.